an example here. Let's say you have an hazard, flammable gas as an hazard in pipeline, flammable gas in pipeline as an hazard. So you're gonna have a top event, which is the release of that flammable gas from the pipeline. So what is potential threat that could lead to this event? It is because of corrosion. Okay, you're going to say that this is corrosion, internal or external corrosion, and you're going to say probably there is a drop object due to working at high with a heavy load. So going to hit the pipeline, so it's going to release the flammable gas. So you assess the consequence. Now there will be a potential vapor cloud of that flammable gas, and potentially if the release gas meet the ignition source, then the potentially it is going to ignite, it's going to lead to the flash fire. Okay, so yeah, I have a quiz. Can you think of barriers here, prevention measure, in order for you to stop the corrosion from happening, and then corrosion will now move to the next stage, which is releasing the flammable gas? Ada orang nak jawab, please? Danita?
Okay, so hi everyone. Okay, can actually someone just put the answer in the chat box so we can, know the quiz answers. Or maybe
who wants to answer? I cannot read the chat box now because it's my screen.
Yes,
If
I will read for you.
Anyone can guess, what do you think you can put as a prevention measure?
Okay, the question is again, Ms. Nora?
The question is, can you think of, question is on the slide actually, can you think of barrier here in making sure the corrosion is not happening?
Okay, all right, we have some answer here. Ms. Nurul Fatin Filzati said that periodic inspection of pipeline.
Okay, nice try.
And then Mr. Padmanabhan said flame detector.
Again?
Flame detector.
Flame detector, okay.
Yeah, okay, or flame detector.
All right.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to hang you with that answer. Okay, so I'm going to move to next. Can you think of the barrier as a mitigation measure? So just now, Mr. Padmanabhan saying that gas detector, or is it gas detector actually in the mitigation side? Because it's already happening, you need something to detect. Because if you can detect something, you can reduce the severity of the vapor cloud from happening. So where do you think actually is suitable? So there is no yes and answer yet. I'm not going to give you, because it's going to get to long discussion, a very technical discussion. But your idea is there. You know where to put barrier. It just, is it the barrier is truly on the left side or truly on the right side?